What's up guys, back again with another Subway Surfers video, and today, well, we're going to be playing Gift Rush since, it's 1 day and 10 hours left since the end of the season. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, Gift Rush, what's this actually now? Okay, anyway, enter, let's play. Oh, I wonder what the next season's theme's gonna be. Hopefully it's something good. Jump. Jump. So guys, if you don't know the idea of this game mode, so basically you score points by staying on your hoverboard, right? And the points, as you can see on the right side of my screen right now, it says Gift Rush and there's points going down. If you stay on your hoverboard, the points go down. And you get rewards from it, so yeah. And if you go far enough and you complete loads of, the challenges to stay on your hoverboard, you'll get even Gingerbread Man to get you through the pass. Please check out my friend's Seb 1500 channel, and also please do consider subscribing because yeah. Got a D for candle. Sorry I've not uploaded in forever a Subway Surfer video. It's just I've just been so busy in school and everything. I've been making other videos though. Mostly shorts I've been making. But I'll try and get back to the games, like the Subway Surfers and Tiny Island Survival even. Okay, we do have enough for a box in the shop right now, so if you don't know already guys, what I like to do is I at least want to get 500 coins every round, so I can get a mystery box from the item shop. And if I don't get 500, well, it's just bad luck. Okay, that's just gave me a reminder to put out my hoverboard again. Oh man, that lagged loads there. I don't know if you guys saw that lag, but I definitely lagged loads there. It just stopped for a second. Put me really off track. Okay, some jumpy boots. I just love to see the jumpy boots. Whoa. Okay, some jumpy boots. And also a gingerbread man. Jumpy boots. Whoa. That was so weird, that. Whoa! Ah ha ha! Hoverboard. Hoverboard indeed. Oh, Just trying to get the gingerbread man. I'm doing alright on coins. Pretty much doing alright on everything. Right, I need a new hoverboard though. There we go. Okay.
Play it with me.
Okay, so guys, my brother's joined me to play. He's sitting next to me, he's watching me. If you don't know my brother's name, his name's called Leo. You might have seen him in a couple of my videos. Yeah, do you remember that one where we went in the bush maze? We had to run away from Dad. Do you remember?
What? And that is a big buffalo.
Or was he?
And he's coming to get us.
He's not.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay, so we've just got a jetpack.
And Christmas?
Yeah, it's Christmas still. But they're gonna change it tomorrow, Leo. It's gonna be a new season.
It's a Halloween.
No, it's not gonna be Halloween. Halloween was a couple of months ago now.
We're going to do it tomorrow.
We're gonna get a different one.
It's a paint one.
Guys, comment in the comments. Well, comment down below what type of season you think it's gonna be. I bet it's gonna be like Easterish, even though it's like way off Easter. Still. Actually, no. I'm not gonna go for Easter because like Easter's too far away from now. So I actually don't know. Could be. Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna end this video now. Make sure, yeah, subscribing, liking. I'm gonna look. You can get gingerbread man. I'll probably get them off camera. So yeah, guys. Just gonna look if there's anything. Oh yeah, you can get this. I don't really know what the high fives do, but you get like medals and stuff and coins. Okay, so guys, bye.